Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and today it's extra special day because I'm with my friends. Meet Benedict and Jovito.
Hi guys!
We're here at Durungawan Garden Cafe located at Magaspak, Hirona, Tarlac. And today, we're here to rate their best sellers starting with
Their coffee base, which is caramel macchiato and the salted caramel.
They also have fruit tea and non-coffee based.
And for their special frap, they have cookies and cream and Java chips.
They also have here an appetizer, and for that, welcome to
Been there, done that. Una nating titikman is ang kanilang caramel macchiato.
Ano mo muna kaya siya? Ihalo? Rate? Out of
Kalasa niya?
10?
I think the best nga talaga siya.
Where?
Like 10 out of 10 talaga.
Wow!
Kasi yung lasa niya is
It's giving.
Yeah, it's giving talaga.
Nasa mo yung kape?
Okay, for the next one.
For the next one is salted caramel. I think magkalasa lang sila nung caramel macchiato pero
Milk tea base siya. Ayun, coffee
Salt.
base.
oh, okay.
Taste test.
Kung compare dito, mas matamis itong caramel macchiato kesa dito sa
Natunaw na
salted
yun.
caramel. I think 9 out of 10.
So, let's start on here. The fruit tea base. It's light chip flavor and okay lang siya. Tamang timpla lang. Rate ko is 7 out of 10 kasi hindi niya na-meet yung super ma-sugar kasi ako, so dapat medyo matamis. And the next one is, I think it's green apple. Compare din dito, mas lasa yung pagka tamis ng green apple compare sa lychee, so I'm good with it. Rate ko dito is 10 out of 10. For the next one is the matcha based, non-coffee based.
Magtikiman na lang talaga.
Yakan ko.
Hindi ako nagmamatcha eh. Hindi ako nagmamatcha, so ikaw.
Hindi ka gumatcha.
Ayun nga ang challenge natin is kaya tayo mag-rate tayo ng coffee kahit hindi natin sila gusto.
Ayun yung fusion.
You can
Ako na titigim guys. Nagawin ko. Fusion,
Espresso
matcha.
yun.
Yeah.
Espresso.
Yung vlog pala natin is
Ano siya? Lasang
Damo.
coffee. Tsaka may matcha. Kasi fusion ata siya. Fusion ng coffee at matcha. Then
Okay.
ito, pure matcha.
Taste test.
Mas matamis tapos may lasang milk.
Okay. Rate no
Lasa
rate.
milk. Dito, mga 9. 9.
Wow, taas
9 over
din.
10. Tapos dito, siguro 10.
wala na bang i-energy ang iyong boses? Pakitaasan naman.
Talaga yung energy ko pa.
And for the next one,
So, dito dito
Frap.
tayo sa special frap.
ito super
Cookies
sarap
and
nila.
cream.
Pwede patikin din.
Sobrang tamis back. Sobrang tamis niya.
So yun, parang hindi ikaw at ang target.
No, hindi ako.
Hindi
Parang
ko
di sa
target yan.
akin to.
Okay.
Yun yung purpose ng ating vlog.
Parang
May
gawa
extra
na
challenge
yung
siya
ano
na kahit ayaw natin yung flavor.
Ito chocolate na, ano ba to?
na, Java chips.
Java chips.
Java.
So, lasang mas namumuo yung chocolate niya. Matamis silang pareho.
So, rate mo
frap.
sila. Ang nung rate mo sa kanila?
Rate 7 lang kasi masyado matamis guys.
Less sugar siya.
Yung
Tingnan
fries
natin yung
pa.
fries.
Yung fries.
Nakakalimutan niyo yung
Mag-cut na lang
appetizer
dyan.
talaga.
Tignan natin guys.
Like,
So, titikman na natin tong appetizer. Ano ka na ba?
Paanap yun.
Mm. Guys, if you're looking for something na super relaxing, mga
Affordable.
mahihilig sa coffee, affordable, dayuhin nyo na tong Durangawan Garden
Yes.
Cafe dito sa Magaspak, Herona, Tarlac. It's giving, guys. It's giving.
Maganda siya, maganda.
Ikaw ba?
So far, so good.
Wow, Sogo.
Yeah, no.
Hala. Ikaw, anong ano mo?
Yung place ako
Tingin
nagagandahan.
mo.
Tsaka,
Oh.
okay naman yung mga drinks.
I think their bestseller talaga is,
For you?
yeah, bestseller talaga siya.
Lahat.
Lahat.
Wala siyang ano.
Try nyo na
No
dito,
exceptional.
guys. That's all for today. Bye! And that's a wrap for today's cafe adventure here on Been There, Done That. We had such a great time exploring Durangawan Garden Cafe, and honestly, this place is more than just a coffee spot. Located at Barangay Magaspak, Herona, Tarlac, this cafe is a serene escape from the usual hustle. Their menu is impressive too, from classic brews and creamy lattes to unique, house-crafted cold drinks that really surprised us. Aesthetic, creative, and absolutely Instagrammable. Whether you're here for a quick caffeine fix, quiet study session, or a romantic date, this cafe has you covered. So if you're ever in Tarlac, especially around Herona, make sure to drop by Durangawan Garden Cafe. Trust us, it's worth the drive. We'll keep sipping, exploring, and sharing the best local spots just for you. Until next time, this has been There, Done That.